welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a mini haul. You guys know I work with SHEIN a lot. They have this new program for creators, if you are a creator out there, where basically they let you choose a bunch of things up to a certain amount and you do a video for them, or TikTok, or an Instagram reel. But I think it's really dope because it gives you a chance to like explore their new items that they have and to share them with your followers. So I picked out a few things in the beauty section in their website. As you guys know, I am in cosmetology school. I'm a senior. I'll be graduating probably soon. I'm gonna have a whole life update video that I have to like update you guys on everything that's going on in my life. So I was like, you know what, I think this is the perfect time to pick something in the beauty selection, because I am in the beauty field now. So I got a pack of gloves. They look like this and they're pink. Like, who doesn't love pink gloves? It's 100 gloves in here, and they were really cheap. I'm gonna have everything linked in my description box, don't worry. But so yeah, they're pink gloves and they work perfect for me because when I do hair dyes and relaxers, texturizers, all of that good stuff, you need your gloves. So this is perfect for me. We have this, I'm gonna open it. This is like I believe it's for like okay, so you guys know, if you are a hairstylist, or if you're a hairstylist, you know that when you are actually straightening someone's hair, you want to take the comb, because the comb helps take out, all the like the curl or like any of the tangles inside of the hair while you're straightening it. So this is pretty much something to help you. I think it goes on top of the flat iron, but I know that when you curl the hair, you just go down just like that, and oh wait, I don't want to mess up these curls. And then you go down like that, but I got it in pink. I believe, like I said, it goes over the flat iron. I think the flat iron goes like on top of this. I'm gonna actually, a little bit later on in the video, I'm gonna actually get my flat iron and see if it works, like see if it like works. That's my cat, sorry. See if it actually like works in this. Ow, shit. I got this brush. It was just a simple brush. It's really, really hard, and it's cheetah print, and I just liked it because it was cheetah print and it's a brush. And I'm always upgrading my kit, because when I actually do start doing hair for real, because I'm in school right now, I just want to have a nice kit full of a whole bunch of cute brushes and combs, and it just makes me feel good when I'm doing hair and makes me happy. So I got this brush. It's really, really cute, and it's really hard too. So it really actually brushes. I got the silicone ear. So basically, you guys know, when you go under the dryer, it can burn, and this goes over your ears like that. The silicone, and it can help for like, not burning your ears. Not everybody likes it dry. Sometimes it's really, really hot. I got it pink, and I have it in purple, and I got them in black. So 3 sets. And I know one of my classmates was like, I never saw the silicone ones. I only saw the hard ones, because they're usually really hard, but they have silicone now. So haven't tried it yet. I actually want to try it on one of my clients and ask them like, how does it feel? Does it feel comfortable? Because if it does, I want to get a lot more of these for my clientele when they come in and get their hair dried. This is a makeup bag. It's a really nice silicone makeup bag. Oh, it gets really, really big. Oh, this is nice. Okay, looks like this. Oh, I like it. And I have a lot of makeup bags, but I have a lot of makeup. So I think this would be good for like traveling, when I'm traveling or whatever the case is. I could just put my makeup in here and we're good to go. I believe this is an apron, and as you guys know, as I said, I'm in hair school, so this is perfect. I'm actually gonna stand up. I have on a dress, and I'm gonna put it, oh, and it fits like that. And I can put my brushes in here, my combs, yeah. So this is really, really cute. I can't wait to wear it, because we have aprons in school, but I'm not really a fan because it just covers up my outfit. So I like the fact that this just goes around the waist, so this is gonna come in handy. This is actually a cap that you put on when you want to do highlights. You guys know you can find these caps in the beauty supply store. I don't know if they look like this, but they're really like, they're a different texture. But this one, I think this is reusable. And it's pink and it feels really good, and it goes over the head like that. And then, you know, it has the little pin right here that you just take out all the hairs that you want to highlight, and you, ooh, hold on, and you get your highlight on. So I thought this was really cool. I can use it on some clients, even though, you know, I can do highlights 2 different ways. I can do slicing and weaving method, but also this is a good method too if you don't really want like chunky highlights. This is a method as well. Like I said, they sell these types in the beauty supply store, but not the ones that look like this. I never actually used a silicone one, so I'm excited to see how this works and if it, you know, works really well. So I have that. So I got this. This is for hair cutting, and it looks like this. So let me try to open it. Okay, so I opened it. So basically, you're just going to like take it and you're gonna close it on the hair piece that you're going to cut. And you can slide it down and just get like a, I guess, a really 0-degree cut. Or you can put it this way and do it like that. It's basically just a cut. You know how when you use your hairstylist, you use your fingers to angle, you use your angles, you can do it like this, like this. It's basically just your fingers, but it's just in this type of form. So this is good to use. I have this case, comes like this, and in it, it comes with a spoolie, which actually I do need because I ran out of my spoolies. It's for the brows, and it comes with an eyebrow plucker. I don't know if this is the eyebrow, I don't think this is the eyebrow plucker. I think it is, but the ones I use don't really look this pointy. I think these are for like when you put the individual lashes in, because you know they're really pointy, but I don't really do individual lashes. But it looks like this, and it's pink. And then we also have, I think this is also for the lashes as well. I wear strip lashes, so it's like, I don't really be knowing like all the stuff with individual. I only wore individual lashes once when I was a teenager, and it was horrible. Like I couldn't sleep, it was terrible. I'm never wearing them again, but it looks like this. So this is all for like the lashes. So I got a nice little lash kit thing going on here. You guys know, like in cosmetology school, you do hair and nails. It's not just hair. You do hair, nails, and you do a little bit of skin, but it's mostly cosmetology. So I got these drills because I actually want to see if I can start doing nails. So these little pink drills will come in handy to see if I can start doing like acrylics, because we did learn how to do acrylics in school. I still feel like I have a lot of practice to do because we only do like a week of nails. But luckily I have a friend in school who does nails, and hopefully she shows me how to like use the drills and stuff. So I got the drills to learn how to do that. I have this. So cute. You can put it on your face. It's like, hold on, what is it? To avoid danger of suffocation, But yeah, it's just like little rhinestones to like put on your face. I just think that is so adorable and so cute. This is also another gadget for the hair cutting. It's just shorter and it's pink. And as I said, you just take it and like that, and then you put it down, and it has like little combs in it too, so you can put it down and then cut the hair, or you do 90-degree and cut the hair. So I don't know, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna actually try it. I'm not gonna try it on a live person yet. I'm gonna try it on my mannequin and see how it comes out, and if it comes out well, then hey, I might use it. Why not? I got this brow tint that I selected. It's called Peel Off Brown Tint. I never tried brown tint before. It says that you clean your brows and apply on peel off brow tint over your existing brow hair. If any mistakes are made or you need to reshape, use a cotton bud to easily remove before it sets. Leaves your new eyebrows to set for at least 5 minutes. To fully dry, gently peel it off from the front to the tail of your brow if needed. Apply your favorite brow gel. Enjoy your fabulous brows. So I guess this like, it's a brow tint. I don't know if you guys see like on Instagram when girls get like the brow tints, like they go to professional and it's like they like, you don't really have a lot of brows, but like after you finish you have brows. It's like that, but it's like in a little thing. So I'm gonna try it. Not today, but I think in another video, if you guys want me to, I'll try the brow tint to see if they really work for my brows, because I fill in my brows when I do my makeup. So I want to actually try this one when I don't have any makeup on and see how it looks. I got some press-on nails. I am obsessed with nails. You guys know that I love nails. I love nails. And these are actually duck nails, which I've only worn one time. I got duck nails professionally done like, I would say a year ago. And I didn't like it because I got them too long. And when they're long, they're uncomfortable for me because the shape of it, it like gets stuck in a lot of things. And I was like, this is so uncomfortable. Like they're wide, like it's not like this nail where it's like, they're really wide. So I didn't like the length that I got them too long. I feel like they look better when they're short. So anyway, I got the duck nails and they're shorter. They look like this. And I like all the jewels and the charms on it. I have my nails, well, I need to get them refilled, but I'm gonna be taking these off soon. So I can't show you how it looks on my fingers, but when these come off, I promise you I will do a video and I will show you guys how it looks on my fingers. I actually have a video coming of just nails press-ons, straight press-ons, like really cute press-ons like this from SHEIN, diamond and rhinestones. So I'm gonna do like a full nail haul, and I'm gonna include this one, and I'm gonna like try on all the nails and show you guys how it looks. But I love this so much. It's just, look at it, it's just so pretty. Like, oh, it's pink and my favorite color, and it's girly and it's diamonds and it's everything. And also you have different sizes. So they have an extra small, medium, and a large. I got the large because I have big fingers. And it also comes with like stickies to put the nail on. But me, I usually use nail glue. I don't really have time for the stickies like that. I mean, if you're gonna take it, like if I'm gonna take it off the same day, I'll probably use the stickies, but usually I just use a nail glue because I like to keep them to stay on, and then I use a file as well. So, and last but not least, I have 100, I believe it's 100 bobby pins. And as a hairstylist, this is heaven sent because you need this as a hairstylist. You may think, oh, it's small, it's little, it doesn't matter, but these things add up when you lose them. So I just got like 100 of these bobby pins, which I'm happy about because they really do what they do and they work for when I'm doing hairstyling. This is literally all I received from SHEIN, from their beauty collection. I'm really happy that I got to collab with them again. I love collabing with SHEIN because they just really have like really affordable, cute things for the girls, especially like when you can afford all like the expensive makeups and the expensive, you know, press-ons and expensive, it's like really affordable. And it really helps me out as a cosmetology student as well to save money because as you guys know, I have a huge loan to pay back, and honey, I need the money. But that is all for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys everything that I got from SHEIN. Thank you so much for watching. I promise I will do a review on each of them, actually like opening it and trying it. I will show you guys how I used all the different products because, you know, this is just a haul, but I actually want to try them. And I'm going to come back and tell you guys how that is. I have a life update video, a very important life update video coming up. It's taken me really long to film it because of the circumstances around it. Some of you may know if you follow me on social media, but it's really hard, so I've been kind of avoiding it. But I really do want to share it with you guys because I share my life here, and what happened was a big part of my life, so I'm going to be doing that soon. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.